Most people think crispy eggplant needs a lot of oil. That's the mistake. That if you fry eggplant right away, it absorbs oil like a sponge. The outside looks crispy, but inside it turns soft and greasy. The real secret is not oil. It's water control. First, slice the eggplants thin. Not thick, not chunky, thin slices crisp better in the oven. Now here's what most people skip. Put the eggplant into ice-cold water. This pulls out bitterness and tightens the texture. Next step is salt. Salt draws out even more water. Wait 5 minutes, then rinse and dry very well. This step decides everything. Dry eggplant means crispy eggplant. Now we coat. Just eggs, a little salt, dried mint, and red pepper. Nothing heavy. No flour. No deep frying. Add breadcrumbs and mix gently so every slice is covered, not soaked. Line a tray with parchment paper. Brush a little oil, not for frying, just for color. Lay the eggplant flat. Add a little mozzarella on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. What you get is crispy edges, soft inside, and no greasy feeling. This is why I never fry eggplant anymore.